Hi everyone, it's Intang Mayumi here. It's that time for 10 cards, 1 Doodlebug collection collab. This month's hashtag is doodlebugfeb. Just use that hashtag so we can find your videos or posts on Instagram or Facebook. The paper pad I'm going to use for today's cards is So Much Fun 6x6 paper pad. I still have some leftover from this paper pad and I want to use it all. After making 10 cards, I have just small scraps and I will save them for paper piecing. I don't have the odds and ends for this collection anymore, so I will use 2 stamp sets from Simon Says Stamp called I Choose You and So Pun Friends. I also have the coordinating die sets for this stamps, so that save me some time because I don't have to fussy cut my images. Here are my colored images. I colored them I think last year in the summer. When I'm not busy, I color images and save them so I can use them later. So with this one I use 90-pound Strathmore watercolor paper with VersaFine Onyx black ink, and then I colored them with my Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers and added some Stickles. And now I'm taping the dies on the images so I can run them through my die cutting machine and they won't move when I do that. And here are all my die cut images. They look so cute with all those glitters from the Stickles. And here are the other images that I die cut from the stamp set So Pun Friends, and these are also adorable. Before we start the assembling process, I want to show you the dies that I used to create my cards. I use Stitch Circles, My Favorite Things, Band-Aids, Dynamics, Stitch Squares, Jenna Marie Designs Scallop Rectangles, and Elizabeth Craft Designs Dashing Rectangles. Here is my first card. I went on Pinterest and chose some card sketch designs and cut all my papers off camera so we can save some time in the video because I know no one wants to see all the cutting part. I hope you enjoy the video and get inspired, and I will see you at the end. And here are my adorable cards. I love this So Much Fun paper collection. I will try to link all the supplies I use in the description box below. And please join us for this month 10 cards 1 Doodlebug collection collab, and it's the hashtag doodlebugfeb. I'm excited to see what you guys create using your choice of Doodlebug collection. I hope you like today's cards, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye.